Round 2 update. We're up to 80 mils. My chooks have been let out. Only Rory's out at the moment. Benji must have finally gone into the stable. Good news, all our water tanks are full. Actually, I can move closer. They're chocolates. We have 3 house tanks. They probably only last us between 2 and 3 months, but we're grateful. That's water I do not have to get from the mains. Well, I don't have any anyway. Here's our easement. My failed veggie crop. I'll get there though. Hun, can you open the gate? I'll show you the the easement's full. Well, it's been fuller, but yeah, have a look at all that water. Oh, heaps of it running down. Close up on my failed veggie crop, but it'll get there. But the dragon fruit's doing awesome. There was a fruit on it the other day, but we disturbed it a bit too much. Howdy! Look at them go. Good on you, boys! Good on them. They're checking up to see everyone's okay. What's left of our taro at the moment. Ah, look at that. It's full. I have seen it fuller though. I've seen most of this go under. So we're actually doing good at the moment. It's flowing down. This is for you, Vika and Sully, how they're doing the plants. We are getting some water on the front though. We knew this would happen. Have a look. Oh. But I think the sandbags are holding. Very wet Tongan flag. Not sure why there's a dead patch. A few dead patches. And believe it or not, our solar is still working, still giving us power. Not very much. The other tank. Cars moved over away from large trees. Bowed a little bit under the shed. Shed's full, so we couldn't have hit it all the way in, of course. That's what life's like on a property. You tend to fill all your sheds up and then you run out of room and then you need another shed. There's the animal tank. Oh, my brolly is getting heavy. It's supposed to be a mandarin orange tree, but God knows what the hell's coming out of that plant, but it's sour as hell. If anyone can enlighten me, that would be fabulous. But they're so sour. It's not even a lemon tree. Look, a gully we had dug out to run the water away from the main house. It does work, but not when you're getting 100+ mils. So that 80 I just showed you, including the 30 I've threw out yesterday, we've had what, 110 mils roughly. Horse can't tell you which animal. Which horse I mean. There you go, we think that's a rooster, that brown one. That white one's definitely a rooster. They'll be going into our rooster soup. There's Sally and Eve, our geese. I love them, they're gorgeous. And you can see our cluck over there, the grey rooster. This one, my grandson named him Jackie yesterday. Isn't he beautiful? That's his sister, I think. She's molting. Half my chickens look terrible at the moment, but they're molting. Can't help that. Yeah. I'll walk over to my chook pen. Trust me, a couple of chickens never enough. I have a few. And they're only good for eggs for a couple of years, so you're constantly getting new girls in. Look at them, how rough some of them look with their molt. Oh, but they're not shying out of the rain, I can tell you. As for the fox, I've had most of my chooks taken by foxes the last few years. In the end we end up fencing it, a little bit like Fort Knox. We put their coop up way above because we know it gets a lot of water over here. And would you believe they still insist on sleeping in there. But anyway, still there's a lot of water around. I got 4 boys in here. Their days are numbered. They know it. Oh, here's Rory. All he does is injure himself. Say hi, Rory. We spent close to $3,000 on him in the last few months. Between his leg, his chest. Buy a horse, you'll love him. Get another one. Just like chickens, one's never enough. All right, we're going to go brisk the paddocks. Apologise for terrible footage. I'm not editing this. It's what you see is what you get. Water tank is full again, like I said. I love it. We need it. No point putting in another tank. But have a look at the water. The ground is definitely truly soaked, which is really, it's good news. But yeah, here's their stable. Ooh, really soaked. Benji's in there. Hey Benji! And there, we'll have a mess to clean. But it's a soggy mess, so I'm not interested in cleaning it just yet. That's my goat pen. No goats. Long story. Sad story. Long story. It's Feel sad. Yeah, hence why we've let the horses out. This will dry up in no time though. Anyway, I'm walking in it. Ooh. I hope I don't slip. That's their round pen. Ooh, very wet. I think my back paddock's going under though. I can see, yeah, there's a lot of water. We can handle 100 mils over a couple of days, but over that, we'll see. My beautiful neighbours cleaned their back of their dams out and de-sledged some of it. They got rid of some of the water. Don't know what our council's doing and why they're not clearing the back. We've got a natural flow there, but it's full. They haven't cleared it, hence why we get so much water. Our dam is chockers. There is fish in there. I don't know what's in there, but a couple of years back we saw a pelican take out something big. The horses do go in there. Wow, there's some water. It wasn't like this at 5:30 this morning. Plenty of firewood. Oh, yep. Our back paddock is probably officially under. Well, 60% of it is. That's a soccer club over there. This is the water actually coming out from the dam, not the easement, but it's overflowing, so it's probably both of them. But it's flowing straight to my back paddock. But there's my neighbour's dam. There are two dams now, one huge dam. But we've been here over 6 years now. Oh, there's a ruin amongst that. I don't know if you can see it. I'll probably spook him. You might see him if I spook him. There's about, what, 50 metres. Yeah, look at the back paddock. There he is. Wonder where his family is. A little bit ominous looking tree on its side. Happy to end it there, guys. Let me know if you want to see more.